Hello, Lotus and IB grown-ups and children. I'm very excited to introduce to you a Crankie Theatre and the history of the Crankie. In the upcoming Lotus and IB summer camps, I'm going to be holding a workshop where I'm going to be teaching you about the history of the Crankie, as well as building your very own and creating your own story to go with it. So what is a Crankie Theatre? A Crankie is a way to experience the world without using modern technology. It's a way to teleport yourself and others to a magical place without leaving the comfort of your own home. Now, the Crankie is a very old storytelling art form. They used to be called panoramas. Pan is a word from the Greek language, which means all, and rama means view. So it's the ability to view all. Robert Barker was an Irish-born scene painter, and he coined this term. He was inspired by creating something that would allow you to visually experience a panoramic view of your experience. And this allowed people to be transported to places that they couldn't travel on their own. They would be able to go to a different location that they most likely had never seen or would never be able to see. The term Crankie is being used now to name this very old art form. So in the upcoming summer camp, I'm going to show you how to make your own moving theatre using just a shoebox and a few other bits and bobs. We're going to start with a long illustrated scroll that we can use out of baking paper or any long roll of paper that you have available. We're going to then wind that onto 2 spools, and we're going to load them into a box that has a viewing window that we're going to cut out. And then we hand crank the story, and that is where the word cranky comes from. Anything you imagine, you can create. These are some ideas of how the Crankie Theatres are put together and how they're decorated at the end. But wait, there's more. I'm also going to be telling you about the history of the panorama. I'm going to teach you storytelling techniques, how to storyboard, how to present your story, how to plan your story, and then I'm going to tell this Irish legend about the Tuatha De Danann that I made from my own Crankie Theatre.